Alright, so I'm going to ask the graph f of x equals 2 over x plus 2. It looks like a fraction. It's basically called a rational function. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the vertical asymptote. So I'm just going to take my denominator there, and I'm going to set it not equal to 0. The reason why is, once I get a value, it's basically telling me that if I put in -2 here, -2 plus 2 is 0. You cannot divide 2 divided by 0. That gives us undefined. So let's go ahead and graph. This is called my vertical asymptote. I'm going to go on my x-axis to -2. Here's the origin, -2. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a dotted line. So there's my vertical asymptote. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make sure see if there's any horizontal asymptotes. So I recognize that this is x to the 0 power. There's no variable, but if I need a variable to compare its degree, and this one is x to the 1st. So I have the numbers 0 and 1. What inequality can we put there?
Less.
We can put a less than, which means that my horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. Let's do that in pink. An asymptote is a place where the graph cannot touch. It would be undefined. So this is essentially on my x-axis. Okay. Now let me teach you something that might be kind of new. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to graph this without a graphing calculator. It's actually not too hard. You guys are just, it's been new, it's a little bit intimidating. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table of values. And let's focus on the left side and also the right side of the vertical asymptote. So if I pick a number to the left of the blue line. So I'm going to pick a number to the left of the blue line.
-4.
Okay, -4. Excellent number. This is an excellent number because if I put in -4, if I pick x equals -4, class, what is -4 plus 2? And what's 2 divided by -2? Okay, pay attention. -4, -1. Okay? What I want to know is that it's either positive or negative. If it was positive, I would graph it on the positive values on the y-axis. But because it's negative, I'm going to graph below the pink line, where the y values are negative. So my graph's going to look something like this so far. Again, I knew to graph it down here is because when I get an x value of -4, I get a negative y value, which means it's below. If it was positive, it would go above. Let's try that now on the right side of the vertical asymptote. Someone pick a number to the right.
4.
0. What a good number. You got it. 0 plus 2.
2.
2 divided by 2.
1.
Class, is this positive or negative?
Positive.
Where do you think it's going to be?
On top.
On the top.
Wow.
And this is our graph.